Meaning of FBI.
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 FBI. FBI is an abbreviation for the Federal Bureau of Investigation, which is a law enforcement agency within the United States Department of Justice. The FBI is responsible for investigating a variety of federal crimes, including terrorism, cybercrime, organized crime, and civil rights violations. Additionally, the FBI provides support to local and state law enforcement agencies, as well as intelligence and national security agencies. The agency has a long history dating back to 1908 and has become synonymous with investigations into high-profile cases such as bank robberies, espionage, and public corruption.